bad news and good news and great news. It's all about the Sigma Derby. The Sigma Derby is that very loud game that used to be in the MGM, used to be in a couple more, maybe even Caesars back in the day, but very last placement of the Sigma Derby is at the D downtown. The bad news, it played its final game 2 nights ago on June the 14th at midnight. It is no longer operational at the D downtown Las Vegas. You had to wonder, how much longer would it last? It's very high maintenance. It's coin operated. Everything's mechanical. It needs constant maintenance, daily maintenance, and hourly maintenance by coin operators that have to load and reload, take money from one station, put it in another. There's accounting to be done. It's really, it's very physically demanding. It's a operational nightmare for machines in the modern age of where we are with casinos. And Derek Stevens, the owner of the D, is conscious of that. Well, he just had enough. This machine was just too much. So it is no longer operational as it is here previously. But the good news is the electronic version of this machine, which is the Fortune Cup, is still here.